Have you ever wondered how much waste your business generates through its maintenance activities? It's a question not many ponder upon, yet it's crucial to the health of our planet and the sustainability of our businesses. Traditionally, maintenance follows a linear economy model. We produce, we use, and then we dispose. This take-make-waste approach has been the backbone of our industries for centuries, but it's far from perfect. It leads to an enormous volume of waste, which not only puts a strain on our natural resources, but also leads to significant economic losses. Every broken part that's discarded, every piece of equipment that's replaced rather than repaired, contributes to this growing issue. It's estimated that billions are lost annually due to this wasteful approach. The environmental impact is just as severe, with the waste contributing to pollution and climate change. But what if there was a better way? A method that not only reduces waste but also saves money and resources. There is, however, a more sustainable and cost-effective alternative: the circular economy and maintenance. The circular economy and maintenance is not just a buzzword, it's a sustainable business strategy with tangible benefits. So, what exactly is the circular economy and maintenance? Simply put, it's an operational approach that focuses on three key principles: minimizing waste, circulating products and materials, and regenerating nature. Rather than the traditional take, make, dispose model, this approach aims for a reduce, reuse, recycle strategy, extending the life of products through regular maintenance and repair. The first step in this journey is minimizing waste. This involves not just reducing the amount of waste generated, but also finding ways to reuse or recycle whatever waste is produced. The goal is to keep resources in use for as long as possible, extracting the maximum value from them. Next, we have the circulation of products and materials. This is where maintenance really comes into play. By implementing measures such as predictive maintenance and condition-based maintenance, businesses can ensure that their equipment and machinery are always in top shape, reducing the need for replacements and thus cutting down on waste. Sustainable material sourcing is another crucial aspect of this model. By choosing materials that are eco-friendly and easily recyclable, businesses can significantly reduce their environmental footprint. Refurbishment and remanufacturing are also key strategies in the circular economy. Rather than discarding old or damaged products, businesses can refurbish or remanufacture them, giving them a new lease of life. This not only reduces waste, but also saves on the cost of new products. Finally, embracing modular design principles allows for easier repair and refurbishment. By designing products in a way that they can be easily taken apart and fixed, businesses can extend their lifespan and reduce the need for replacements. Embracing circular economy principles in maintenance requires a mindset shift, but the rewards are significant. Not only does it lead to cost savings and foster innovation, but it also reduces environmental impact and builds customer loyalty. It's a win-win situation for businesses and the planet alike. The circular economy and maintenance is a game changer for businesses and the environment. This approach, which focuses on eliminating waste, circulating products and materials, and regenerating nature, is revolutionizing how businesses operate. It's all about extending the life of products through maintenance and repair, which not only saves costs but also fosters innovation. Reducing the environmental impact is another significant advantage. By rethinking how we use and reuse resources, we're not just saving money, we're also protecting our planet. And let's not forget about customer loyalty. When customers see that a business is committed to sustainability, they're more likely to stick around. Strategies like predictive maintenance, spare parts inventory management, sustainable material sourcing, condition-based maintenance, refurbishment, remanufacturing, and modular design principles are all part of this new approach. But remember, embracing these principles requires a shift in mindset, training, and collaboration within organizations. It's not just about doing business, it's about doing business sustainably. Before you go, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on sustainable business practices.